Order filled.
10 seconds. Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 71 million. NASDAQ 100 sell side 19 million. Dow 30 sell side 44 million. Mag 7 sell side 12 million.
Order filled. Order filled.
Good morning, good morning. Gory Randwolf, Adam Cheeseman, good morning. Let's turn on our music. ABB, let's get it. Let's get that orb. Lynette, good morning. Facundo Balarte, good morning. Julio, Gary, good morning, guys. All right. I attempted to take some overnight trades. And, yeah, overnight is pretty choppy. So it did not work out. There's a possibility today is a chop as well. There's a possibility. There's not much news, really. There's a little bit of political type stuff right now in the news. So it could possibly do something. But really, it may just be a chop until tomorrow. Until a lot of the news tomorrow, because tomorrow's big news. So that is, I think, how I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it as if it's a chop. Jacob, good afternoon from Amsterdam. Hey, welcome. Rambler, good morning. So yeah, I think I need to play it like it's going to be a chop. I think that's going to be a little bit safer. We could try to play the 15-minute orb, but it's just, yeah, it's like a little bit risky. We never broke out of this level. We never broke below this level. So it's just been in this range. Let's see what kind of 15-minute range we get today. Okay. S&P just looks weak. I mean, maybe not. Maybe it breaks out a VWAP. Okay, so this just dropped about 7 minutes ago. Trump gave the green light for an attack on Hamas leadership in Qatar. So we got some war type stuff in the news right now. 10 a.m. non-farm payroll revision will be big. Last June was negative 700K, 800K. Facundo, good morning. Kelly, good morning. Gambler bull comeback day. Nvidia and Google look weak. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's possible for today to just be a chop potentially. We'll see. I'm looking for a bullish breakout, but I'm not really banking on it. I was trying to take a bullish breakout trade yesterday, hoping that it trends through and breaks out of these levels, and it just never did. It got up to 885 and rejected. So I think there's like a decent possibility that it's legitimately just going to be a chop. Could try to take some scalps too here.
Order filled.
Very small ones, nice and fast. And just grind up a little bit since we are seeing some chop and volatility. I'm just doing 7 points for 7 points. What tool / chart is this? This is just the Webull chart, and I just have some levels marked out here manually. Okay, this wedge is tightening.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Nvidia's dumping, Amazon, Google joining. Okay. Eva Steen, good morning. Okay, S&P's looking a little better now. NASDAQ's in a super wedge. Not taking any trades right now, just making very, very tiny scalps. If I see the moves.
Order filled.
Very tiny scalps.
Order filled.
Look at gold. I broke through the 3,700 level. Pretty insane. Next stop is pretty much 4K. Talked about this a while ago. That if we break that 3,500, it's just probably gonna rally, and that's exactly what it did. Unfortunately, I didn't capitalize on that because I don't really pay attention to trading gold. Okay, there was a big wick down there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. By the way, for the NASDAQ, if we look at our hourly chart, just got a little trend line here for a couple spots that were strong support, and the trend line's basically over here. Kind of bounced on that level. It aligns with the 800 level. If that breaks, I think we target like 23,650 down here. So far, big wicks down and slowly selling off. For the eval, I think I could do like a 20-point trailing stop.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Okay, 2 minutes till the 15-minute range is established. The range so far is very small, 42 points. So that's actually really, really good. When it's this small, we can bank on big TPs. Okay, let's get one little bounce. I'll enter 5 micros.
Order filled.
Okay, breaking out to
Stop
the
filled.
upside. We'll see if it's a fake out. Let's take a look at our stocks. Tesla, yeah, 350 is going to be pretty strong resistance. It's right there. Google, big rally up. Microsoft, big chop. Apple may sell off. Amazon will pump. Meta, big pump. And Nvidia, a bit of a chop. Bit of a chop, just like yesterday. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
You might just trade news, CPI, PPI, jobless this week, and skip today. Yeah, today it's it may be a chop. Like honestly. I mean, else we'll see at some point if it breaks out. But man, this is like the tightest 15-minute range that I've seen in a while.
Stop filled.
It's like literally, yeah, 42 points. Good morning, G2. Stop this out, now break into the upside. Crazy how choppy it is. It's like literally you just gotta play
Order filled.
scalps for now at least.
Stop
Wow.
filled.
Just chopping us up. Chopping us up even though I'm just trying to take scalps.
Order filled.
So on these scalps we need at least a 50% win rate. Yeah, just like yesterday, it's loving that VWAP.
So in 10 minutes time now, at the top of the hour, do get the event of the day, which is the US quarterly employment and wages revisions. That's the NFP benchmark revisions for 2025.
Wow. Okay, looks like we may break to the downside. You flipped, gambler trader?
Order filled. Order filled.
That was a fast fill. Okay, broke below.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
TP1 is 23,795. I'll try to trail if it does break 800.
Stop filled.
Nope. Okay, I think I need to turn off brackets.
Order filled. Order filled.
Good morning, Mango.
Order filled.
Hamas leadership survives the Doha attack, according to Al Jazeera citing Hamas.
All right, let's see if it breaks 800. If it breaks 800, I want to see some nice selling today. all the way to at least 700. Okay, we're getting a sell signal here.
So in
That was
5 minutes time
also
now, at
a
the top of the hour, we do see the release of the
confirmed
US quarterly
orb
employment and wages
breakdown.
Q1. That's the BLS's benchmark revisions. So most analysts here are expecting a downside revision to NFP for 2025. Some seeing as low as minus 450k, some seeing minus 950k, with the fringe going to minus 1 million jobs expected in this revision from the BLS.
Order filled.
Okay, bounced off the 800 level. This one I got 20-point trailing stops on. Good stop out.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Okay, that's trailing stop. Hit.
Order filled.
Yeah, very interesting. It didn't even get to TP1. Technically, for the orb, the stop would be 23,836. So on this eval, I'm gonna do
Order filled.
bigger trade. 836 our stop. I'll do 837.
Stop filled.
Wow, it just wicks us out. Wait, how did that wick didn't even, oh yeah, it did. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I'll try again.
Order filled.
I'll go at the top of that big wick. 840. Hopefully that's a little bit of a liquidity sweep there. Well, I guess I'll do 837. See if we break down here. Really big chop.
One minute remaining.
Quarterly employment and wages. I guess that's the only news we're gonna get today that might move some stuff. Yeah, it is hard to even scalp. Pasha, I guess you're about to go long. All right. I mean, so far it's held the 800 level. So if you got the idea, I guess you could. I'm a little bit worried that it breaks 800.
Ten seconds.
Big job.
Still waiting.
Really
US
big job.
2025 prelim benchmark payrolls revision subtracts 911,000 jobs. So again, 2025 benchmark NFP revisions minus 911,000 jobs.
Order filled.
Weakness in the dollar and strength in the S&P 500 here.
Weakness in the dollar. That's not good. S&P jumped. Let's see if it rejects here. Okay, big drop.
Order filled.
Well, my
So the
computer's
US Labor
lagging.
Department says the preliminary estimate for non-farm payrolls
Whoa.
benchmark revision would decrease March 2025 level of employment by 911,000 or 0.6%.
And I lagged. I lagged with that big red candle. Okay, I gotta make sure that I
Gold
don't
rises
accidentally make
1%.
big profit.
Stock index is little changed following the payrolls revisions now. Again, dollar holding on to some weakness though.
Yeah, let's do 5,500 on here just in case it dumps. Don't want to overblow it. Okay, stay below 800. That's TP1 so far hit. TP2 is 23,773.
Treasury yields edge lower following the revised payrolls data. Again, just to keep users aware, payrolls was revised down
Closed your short.
911,000 jobs for the March 2025 time period.
Just scalped 1,500 short down until power hour. Or done until power hour. Nice, Gary. Very well done.
Order filled.
The dollar reversed earlier losses, now up spot 1.2% according to the Dixie.
Okay. Can bring this down here. Trail this. 805. Trading pennies, good morning. Yeah, we'll see what supports this breaks through. See if it can break through more.
Order filled.
I really do dislike how it's been moving.
Voice news disconnected.
We'll try to keep hitting scalps. For some reason, voice news disconnected.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm exiting.
Order filled.
Yeah, this may just chop, man. You're short from 8:30. Nice. Good entry on the short. How low can that go? I would want it to go to like 700s or 650, but it's just... Yesterday was crazy chop, and today, like, there's not much news. There's a little bit of political, news that could move it, but it's just been very choppy. The thing is, they could possibly chop this for a while before dumping this thing over the coming weeks. You were down 1K from last night, now only down $3. Nice. Think you're done for the day, gold digit dirty? Oh, wow. That's a gold dump. Well, I would say the orb was unsuccessful today. After completing the 5-minute candle below, it actually wicked up above the stop area. So I'd say that's a failed orb.
Order filled.
Okay, we got something like this going on here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, broke out there. Just playing for the rejection. Guys, honestly, today might just not be a good day to trade.
Order filled.
Bolt shorts. I mean, it was a similar move to this right here, so I was playing on maybe like a just 10-point rejection, but just blasted through. Very, very risky day to try to trade. Could get chopped up very easily. Let's see if we play in a range right now. See my little gray box thing? It's literally just in it just this the entire time. It's broken out a couple times, but then just rejected back into it. Did I save the eval from yesterday? No, I didn't. I got some profit on that trade, and then I tried to take some overnight trades. I just reset it. Okay, let's try to do this eval with just some scalps, but big size. Small scalp though.
Order filled. Order filled.
You're long from 790. Nice. Good long, man. Serial trader, good morning.
Order filled.
Hmm. See if it bounces on that 9. A little worried it's just range play right now.
Stop filled.
Yikes. Should have just let it fill. Might be a big day. Just hold those 30. Hold them long. You think so? Or now it's just kind of ranging, it looks like.
Order filled.
Blew 2 yesterday, today's a fresh eval. The chop is the same. Yeah. I'm trying to play it today as if it's just going to be chopping all day. So I'm just going to work on the eval right now. I'm not going to touch the funded. By the way, that that account that I got to the profit target yesterday, I guess it just needed one more trading day. So I took a quick little scalp for $15 loss. So that got us our trading day.
Order filled.
Need to break yesterday's range. Still inside Friday's range too, is it? Oh yeah, yeah, true. Yeah, it's yeah, past 2 days and then weekend, yeah, all within this range. That's what kind of sketches me out a little bit. That failed breakout. You know, I was liking to stay bullish and everything, but if they try to get a bunch of longs in here to try to break all-time highs, this would be a great time to bring it down to 23K and break it through 23K. Chop like this, really, it does make sense whenever you're looking at September, August. Chops like this definitely make sense. Get a bunch of volatility in, and then just drop the market. So my thought would be that they would maybe take it to all-time highs before allowing the market to drop a lot. But it's possible they just bring it up almost to all-time highs and then drop it.
Stop filled.
This green candle is a pullback entry for the long. Possibly. I'm just gonna scalp. I'm just gonna scalp and play this range.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we ranged up, we ranged down, now potentially ranging back up.
Order filled. Stop filled.
We have to get away from VWAP. Yeah, we do.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm doing a wider stop on this one. 818. Try to let this one run a little bit. 839. Oh, I still get stopped. Wow. Okay. Trying to scalp a range, still get stopped out. Man, yeah, just need to take the small scalps, that's it. Professional stop loss hitter. It's alright, I haven't scalped in a while.
Order filled.
I haven't scalped in a while, so my win rate on these scalps isn't the greatest. Needs to be over 50%. I'm probably sitting at like 40% right now. Missed it by one tick, I think. I tried to force fill that. Google made a lower low. Okay.
Order filled.
And I'm trying to scalp small and it ain't working. Come on, bounce for me. I have to start flipping a coin soon, I know. It's crazy.
Stop filled.
Just touching my
Stop
stuff.
filled. Stop filled.
Wow. Yep. Super chop day. I'm even struggling scalping right now. Head and shoulders. What exactly is a head and shoulders? I'm not seeing it. There was head and shoulders on the daily chart. That got invalidated. All of the charts from the 5-minute through 4-hour are currently bearish. Oh, there we go. That's a little dump.
Order filled.
Professional stop loss hitter over here. Don't mind me.
Order filled.
Ultimate professional stop loss hitter here. Oh my goodness. Low volume node on the 13-minute chart and 78-second chart.
Order
There's just
filled.
some crazy charts,
filled.
brother. Trading Bollinger Bands only today. Out for 30%, but man, it was hard. Nice, Ivan. Alright, I'm gonna just watch this in the 15-second chart because of how choppy it is. You're expecting this to drop to 700. From there, there's some support. I'm just surprised, like, it's not breaking out. It's not breaking down, just not doing anything. Really big chop, big volatility. Trying to break up or possibly create a bunch of liquidity, I don't know. Mess up retail pretty good. Lynette, don't want to embrace that. Let's try to just keep this core position. Apple's dragging. ABB can't even time the scalps. It's crazy. Yeah, same. So difficult. Holding your long from 847. Dang, bro. Short from 822, rejection with a tight stop loss. Okay. See if 800 breaks again. Google potential double top. All right, let's take a look at these. Okay. So yeah, Tesla failed to break 350 again. Definitely could if we have a big red day, Tesla could visit 330s. Google. But I don't know about potential double top. Oh, you're talking about the 1 minute, I guess so. Okay, so Google's going. Microsoft chopping, but maybe going. Apple. Okay, Apple's continuing the sell-off. Amazon. Okay, Amazon was looking okay, now it's starting to sell off. Meta. Selling off. Nvidia. Selling off. Alright. Alright, and I didn't even realize, but this is just dumping. Why am I not getting... Oh, that's why. My financial juice wasn't even on. I wasn't hearing the sells as I was looking at those charts. Well, I'm out of all positions on the funded. There we go. We got financial juice up. How low does this go? Okay. Gotta break through 750. Hearing some market sells, bunch of them. Maybe we could try to maybe add a couple on the funded. If it runs good, then it runs good. Could even do a trailing 20-point stop.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's selling pretty hard.
Order filled.
Probably visits at least 700, right? Some good selling volume.
filled. Order filled.
Very nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. Sorry, I haven't been paying attention to the messages. We're about to hit TP4 on the orb. So we hit 3. 731 is about to be order number 4. Or TP4, sorry.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See if we can take this lower. Nvidia can definitely get lower. Okay, bounced off that level on S&P.
Stop filled. Order
Okay,
filled.
I'm just exiting on the funded. All right.
So according to a
missed my
White House
order by
official,
5
Israel
points
notified
on
the US
this.
ahead of the Doha strike. Again, confirmation further now from a White House official.
Okay, this is invalidated. What are we looking for here? Is there something like this here? There is. So something like that would be 700. Okay. Sorry, I'm a bit behind on the messages. Russell looks good for a short on a pullback. Okay, short from 822. Potential top out 50 points, 5K. Nice serial trader. Xiao Long. A by Zakov took a long. Serial trader, my TP was at 770. Should have moved it lower. Had a feeling it would dump. 5K is not good, or not bad. Not bad. 23,600. You like for longer. Long holds with confluence of the downtrend line and key price level support, but the 23,675 looks interesting for a scalp. Okay. Frank, you were thinking 27,730, 27,700, or 23,700 would be even better. To 690. Looks good for longs here, but all stocks are in red except Google. Even Google made double top moving down. Think Qs you think are trying to fill a gap from Monday? Yeah, that's possible. Jan, hello. Good morning. Yep, I'm out here. Okay, on the funded, didn't do too good. It's all right. On the funded, just was not able to capture many points. Lost some. That's okay though. Another day, another dollar. Okay, almost to our TP on this one. I mean, do I just close this? That would have been my initial TP there. 727. It would have finally hit. Ten more points below that hits it. How's my day? It's not too bad. Got chopped up a little bit here. I was trying to scalp, but even the scalps were just not doing too well. Last reval count, we're long at 800, 2 minis. Boss came over to talk with you. Dang, just ain't right. Sorry, man. Stinley, thank you for the sub. Welcome. That's unfortunate. Just ain't right. Lost a lot today. Sorry, brother. Yeah, today was a difficult day. Yeah, the past several days, definitely not easy. No easy money. Okay. Might have to close here. Is this a reversal? Check out our stocks. It's NVIDIA, a little bit of a pump. Tesla, a little bit. Google, okay, Google, nice pump there. Microsoft, a little bit of a pump. Apple, okay, still selling off. Amazon, okay, Amazon was a big pump. Meta, and Nvidia again, okay. I think we make lower low. Let's see. Let's see it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
Okay, we're out. We are out. And let's see if we can take a long now. Could try to take it with like minimal risk.
Order filled.
10 points. 42. See if it holds here. Try to take the long on this. Well, it's going to be a scalp. It's not like an actual long, like holding, just a scalp for 15 points. Okay, bringing it to break even. See the breakout for the fill. Camera's glitched. There we go.
Stop filled.
Okay, stopped out for like $100. Bad stop there. Hey, what's up? New here? Any good tips I missed? Tips for today is possibly stay away, but